Καλησπέρα παιδες, Expert εδώ και σήμερα συνεχίζουμε το πλαίσιο στο Red Dead Redemption. Κάνει ο Τζακ. Οκ.
What's the book, boy?
Nothing, sir.
What's it about?
Well, it's an adventure, sir. Set out in the West, and it tells this amazing story of how people killed the savage Redskins, and how this man, this brave man, hunts the man who killed his father.
Glad you're enjoying it.
Αυτό είναι το easter egg με τον Red Harlow
Would you
από
like
το
to
Red
learn
Dead
to
Revolver.
check it out? Really big one.
Ένας άντρας εκδικείται τον πατέρα του,
We could use the meat.
κυνηγάει αυτό που σκότωσε τον πατέρα του.
Well,
I know you'd
Το
rather.
Red Dead Revolver ήταν στο West.
Trust me, this can be very enjoyable in its own way.
Το Red Dead Redemption είναι
Suppose maybe it's
την
a little
εποχή που
less
πέθανε το
dramatic.
West.
So, let's go. Come on. You may get to see me get gored by some massive wild beast. Then you can write a story about that.
very funny, Paul. I've forgotten how funny he was.
Grab your things.
Άντε πάμε. Πάμε ρε Τζακ. Έχουμε και σκύλο.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Θα ακολουθούμε το σκύλο. Οκ. Ρούφους, ωραίο όνομα.
When he finds something, you stay back and I'll show you how to make a kill.
Whatever you say, sir.
You sure you're ready for this?
I guess so.
Now the trick to hunting is calm and patience. You gotta think and move like an animal to catch an animal.
A rifle helps, doesn't it?
Elk don't stand still, son.
I wouldn't know. This is the first time you've taken me hunting.
There's lots of things I ain't done with you, but I'm gonna try and make up for that. You don't seem too excited about this.
What do you want me to say, Paul? Yippee?
Are you sure you're all right? I mean, I know all that business must have been hard on you.
It wasn't nothing. I'm not a kid anymore.
Well, it won't happen again. It's over.
Until the next...
Τέλειωνε.
Son, you mean?
Jack, he's on to something.
Κάτι βρήκε.
There won't be a next time.
Don't make no more promises, Paul. I've heard them all before.
Easy. You know, one time I hunted a bear up in tall trees. You never seen a bigger animal in all your life.
I read this story about a girl who was raised by wolves. She'd hunt goats with them and everything.
Sounds like a tall yarn to me.
Taller than a boy being taken from his home and locked up in a dungeon.
I'm just saying, maybe you spend too much time with your head in those books. Jack,
Hop.
one up ahead.
Βρήκε.
Will he save those bullets?
Boom.
Come on, I'll show you how to cut the meat.
I
I
thought he was
started
gonna
with
get
it.
away. That was great, Paul.
You just gotta wait for the right shot, not rush it.
Woo! That's a big one.
This meat should fetch a decent price in Manzanita. Hope you were watching. It'll be your turn next.
What are you doing? Let's get moving.
Let's go. Go on,
Πάμε για το
Rufus.
επόμενο.
Sniff us out a couple more.
Go on, Rufus.
You ready to take a shot, Jack?
Of course, Paul.
Remember, it's all about timing. Wait for your moment. Don't
I
snatch
know,
at
I know. I saw how you did it.
it. You say so. All right. When he finds them, you take the lead.
Άντε Ρούφους, βρες ακόμα ένα.
Go on, Rufus. Find him.
Find another one, Rufus. There you go.
Find him, Rufus. Whoa, whoa. Look, they're over there.
Βρήκε δύο.
That's it, son. Get after him. Easy. You saw how I cut the meat, Jack. Now it's your turn. Whoa there.
Αυτό ήτανε. Τι είναι αυτός ρε.
Nice work, son.
Έμαθα το μάστερ.
Quick learner.
Μπρο, τέλειος, μπράβο.
Let's get this meat over to the trading post at Manzanita.
Did you free me?
You did good, son.
Can't we shoot some more?
Only kill what you need. We'll go out again soon.
You know, I didn't think I was gonna like it.
I told you you'd have fun, didn't I?
Πάμε να το πουλήσουμε τώρα. Έτσι βγάζει λεπτά.
Let's go. Load up now. Yeah. All right, here we are.
Well, howdy.
Got it, friend.
We have an array of options for you. And here we are. Enjoy the journey.
That's it.
It'll be outlaws down there next year.
Ωραία.
All done. Let's head home.
Στο δικό σου το άλογο, κλέφτη.
Come on.
Α, μπράβο. Πάμε σπίτι τώρα.
Whoa.
Έλα Ρούφους.
Come on. Come.
Αλλά πού. Α, καλά.
Mom, that was so
Whoa.
much fun. I can't rightly believe it. Just like in the books.
We'll do it again soon. Now get to your chores.
Πήρα φαΐμα από αυτό. Μπράβο. Πάμε πάλι. Πλάκα είχε.
You're tensing up.
I'm not.
You are. Your back's tense and it's making the rifle jump. You're holding it wrong. Here, let me show you.
I don't need you to show me, Paul.
I guess not.
You show me, you'll just run off again or something. Better I teach myself.
I ain't going nowhere.
Whatever you say, Paul.
Don't be like that.
Sorry.
Wolves been after the herd. Gotta get out there and scare them off. You wanna come with me? Safe with two.
Okay.
Molto bravo. Τώρα ακολουθούμε το Ρούφους για
Hang
λίγους.
on, Rufus now.
You're gonna land us both in the dirt. I can shoot. You know that. Why you gotta treat me like a kid?
It's what fathers do. I'm just trying to look out for you.
You can't just decide to be a father when it suits you. What about the rest of the time?
Come on, Jack. That ain't ain't exactly fair.
One minute you're telling me to be a man, the next you're telling me I'm just a boy.
It's gonna take a while for things to get back to normal.
Normal? Was it ever normal?
I don't know, but it'll get better, son. Promise. Easy.
I'm sorry, Paul.
You don't need to be.
I don't mean to be moody. I'm glad you're home. I really am. It's just every time you go off, well, I worry you're not coming back.
I swear, if it was down to me, I'd never have gone anywhere.
They can't make you, can they?
It's complicated, but seems they can.
Yeah, I know. I wouldn't understand.
Just some things you start have to be finished. Come on. Jack, he's found a scent. Stay close, Jack.
Mom, is Uncle really your uncle?
That's it, boy. Slow up.
Stay on him, Rufus. You can't be tired already. Go on, Rufus.
Go. Go get him, boy.
Ah, the Rufus.
There they are. Good boy, Rufus.
Oh,
Come on.
Playing close. Yeah.
Whoa.
Go get him, son.
oh, επιτίθεται και ο Ρούφους. Ναι.
Get him.
Easy. Come on, Rufus. Where are the others, boy?
Wow,
Don't give up now. Let's keep
βρήκες
moving.
κιόλας.
Jack,
Where are you?
let's go. Oh, yeah. Come on.
Τι πρόσκυλη είναι αυτό, ρε. Κοίτα πως είναι. Κάκια. Βρήκαμε όλη την αγέλη.
Damn, Paul.
Πάμε Ρούφους.
Paul.
Keep your head
Μπράβο ρε
straight.
Τζακ.
That looks like all of them.
Πάμε σπίτι τώρα.
Nice work, Jack. Come on. All right. We should
Wait, let me catch up. Easy. How many did we kill? They won't be out dry cows for a while.
That was some good shooting, son.
So can I go out hunting by myself now?
Hold on there, cowboy. You ain't ready for that yet. One step at a time.
Aw, please, Paul.
We'll go out again soon. Catch something nice for your ma to cook.
I reckon I can kill a bear, no problem.
I ain't gonna tell you again, Jack. You don't leave the farm without checking with me first, you hear?
Yes, sir, I hear you. Paul, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Were you a murderer?
What?
That place where they held us. Paul shouted at a guard one time, and he yelled that you were a murderer.
Maybe. But I live my life.
Come on, Paul.
Άντε φτάσαμε.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey. You're turned into a decent hunter, son. But try to stay out of trouble.
Πέφτει ο ήλιος. Κοίτα εδώ αποστολές. Πάμε εδώ πέρα. Δεν βλέπω τις άλλες διαθέσιμες.
What you cooking?
Same thing I've been cooking the past 15 years with the hope of poisoning you.
Ain't working so well.
Not yet.
To be honest, though, tastes bad enough to kill a man.
I never was much of a cook, but I did try to be a good wife.
And you have been.
Given what we was and what we came from, I think we've gone and done okay. I look at Jack. I look at him and I think we've been blessed. Maybe he can be something more.
He's a good kid. He can be whatever he wants to be. He ain't gonna be no frontier gunslinger killing and running those gang, though. That way's over. Railroads and government and motor cars and everything gone and done away with all that.
And he ain't gonna marry no orphaned working girl running with a bunch of hucksters, neither.
If he meets one like you, I hope he'll marry.
Stop. For an illiterate gunslinger, you sure know how to make a girl blush. God damn crows! John! You've got to go deal with them. They've broken into the silo again and are eating all the corn out from it.
Of course, my angel.
Get out of there.
All right, all right.
Go on. Scat. Shh.
Jävlar. Oh shit. Delia.
Down you go. Oh, out of ammo? Come on.
Fick det på Kire. Hadi. Έχουμε 10 σφαίρες. Τα φάμε όλα. Έτσι να πέφτουν σαν τις μύγες. Άντε ρε. Πώς ακόμα. Ναι. Άντε γεια. Και γάμω τις αποστολές. Πλάκα είσαι.
Fine. Now about that stew.
Στα πτώματα. Πάμε άλλη μία.
John, we got a telegram from some lady friend of yours, a Bonnie something or other. Something you ain't telling me?
Bonnie McFarland. She's a friend.
Mm.
Saved my life when I went after Bill and nearly got myself killed again.
Oh, now you two's in the habit of sending each other letters. How very nice.
Weren't nothing like that. What's it say?
I don't know. I can't. Well, you know I can't read.
Give it here.
You read that thing out loud.
I ain't hiding nothing. Dear Mr. Marston, stop. Need corn sacks. Stop. Emergency. Stop. Weevils and moths ate entire county supply. Stop. Can you help? Not exactly the most romantic request now, is it?
I guess not. She saved your life, you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then you're gonna have to help her and her family out. We've got a plentiful supply of corn sacks over near the silo. About the one thing Uncle did manage to have stolen while he was gone.
Okay.
Hurry back, John. And John, what's she like?
You know. A little bit like you, I guess. She's a woman in a man's world.
Για πάμε.
John, wait! Maybe I should meet this McFarland woman. Well,
Okay.
come on then. Let's get going.
Γιατί έχουμε χρόνο.
I don't think I can let you go off again without me.
Fair enough. I'm glad of the company. You only had to ask.
Ask? I was waiting for you to ask me.
I thought you'd want to keep an eye on the boy.
Oh, while you were off supporting the cowgirls in the next county? I don't think so, John Marston. You only just got home. That Jack has seen enough of me for a lifetime. So, is she married? This Pawnee Miss Farley?
No,
What does she look like?
I don't know. Pretty normal, I suppose.
Normal? What? Normal like me?
No. Normal as in 2 eyes, mouth, nose, that kind of normal. Besides, ain't no woman fine as you.
A little flattery. Now we're finally getting somewhere.
If you find yourself in a hole, the first thing to do is stop digging.
Another pearl of wisdom from John Marston. I sure do miss those.
I never took you for the jealous type, Abigail.
I ain't jealous so much as curious.
You heard what she wrote. It's just some corn. She saved my life, and she was decent enough to me, so I owe her this much at least.
How did she save your life anyway?
She found me half dead on the side of the road and took me to the doctor. Most folks would have left me there.
Half dead from what?
Bill didn't take so kindly to me visiting unannounced.
Bill never did like surprises. How was he?
Same as he was when we left. Angry and dumb. Taking his revenge out on the world. People down there was really scared of him.
Of Bill? You gotta be kidding me. He was only frightening if he was afraid of some fool.
Bill weren't so bad, but Dutch went crazy. Bill took it hard.
For a while, we all thought we'd found something right. A better way to live, but it was just a lie. Or you thought before they did.
Maybe. But there was still kind of a family.
A family that left you for dead. You knew the truth, John, and they hated you for it.
Where did they take you?
Who?
Those government bastards. Where'd they hold you and Jack?
I ain't sure. They kept their eyes covered there and back. Can't have been too far from here, though.
They treat you right?
It ain't the first time I've had a gun to my head, John. You're forgetting your marriage proposal.
You came. Thank you so much. We lost the entire harvest.
Miss McFarland, I'd like you to meet my wife, Abigail.
Oh, ain't you quite the gentleman all of a sudden? It's a pleasure to meet you, Mrs. Marston.
Likewise. Thank you for saving my husband's life. And for teaching the miserable goat some manners, among other things.
I didn't teach him anything. I know better than to try to change a man. You should meet my father.
Oh, people can change, Miss McFarland. John and I have to believe that more than anybody.
This is a decent first harvest for you, John. You should be proud. That's good land you got there.
How are you feeling, Mrs. Marston? From what your husband told me, it must have been awful for you.
I've been through worse, and I knew he'd be back before too long. He can't cook a meal to save his life.
Abigail, in my darkest hours, when I was most homesick, just the thought of one of your rat meat stews kept me pushing forward.
Well, about as amusing as a weeping saddle sore, ain't it, Mr. Farland? You're gonna start yammering about women's work, John. I'd say you might be in the wrong company.
I'd say so, too.
I never felt so outnumbered.
Ma'am?
Okej. Πάμε πίσω πάλι. Πέρα δώστε. Yes.
So that was the famous line.
That was her, all right.
She's pretty.
She's normal, like I said.
Well, you always wanted to be a rancher. I'd have thought she'd be just your thing. A perfect rancher's wife, if I ever saw one.
I already got a rancher's wife.
I'm only teasing. I like her, and I'm glad she saved your life. Most of the
Orleans are good people.
He did blush better than a shepherd's sunset when she saw you, though.
I have that effect on women.
You clearly had one too many clothes to the head.
You ain't wrong about that, Mr. Marston.
That's quite a ranch they got there.
That'll be us someday. As soon as we get back on our feet.
I don't know, John. How many times can we start again? It's outlaw and a working club. It ain't exactly farmers.
We are now. Forget that life. It's over.
Poor Skoda, dile budu moda.
We have to. It's the only way we'll ever have a future.
The life we led, that doesn't go away. It's never over. You think those government men are just gonna leave us alone now?
The old gang's dead. I did what they asked.
And that's it? A life for pride, forgiven?
We're back together, ain't we?
Until they decide you owe them something else.
Sometimes I think I was the stupid one for believing I could get out.
Don't stop. I don't want to leave Jack myself for too long.
Maybe Doug, Bill, and Javier were just being honest with themselves.
You ain't perfect, John, and I sure ain't. But you're better than they are, than they were.
Maybe we can't change. But we gotta try, for Jack's sake. Even if we have to start again 100 times. It's better than going back to what we were. How's Jack doing?
Angry, upset. He's been through a lot.
I hope he's gonna be alright.
It's gonna take time. For a while, his world was safe, normal even. Then it got turned upside down again.
He ain't saying much about it.
I've tried to talk to him, but how do you explain any of this? What do you say when he asks about Uncle Phil and Uncle Dutch? They were family when he was a little boy.
He hides away in those books of his.
Wouldn't you? It ain't like the real world done him many favors. He's just been kidnapped. He grew up with the gang. That's no life for a boy.
Bitti
We did good today, John. I guess I better go fix us something to eat.
Okay, fellas, that was the playthrough. There's a sunset. Whoa! Okay. Vale, me estoy pomando.